Good morning, guys. So first thing in the morning here, I am going to get these catfish out and done and cleaned and filleted. So ended up with 3 catfish. They were about 25, 26 inches each, and then the smaller one was about 15 inches, 18 inches, something like that. So we'll get to doing that and see if we can't get this done before the day starts. All right, guys, cooking the first one up. Well, not cooking them up, filleting them up, and we'll get ready to go. So I got about 2 of them this size, and then another one that's a little bit smaller, but it's not bad. Can't complain. And there we go with number 2, guys. Nice big guy here. So we'll see. Alright guys, so we got quite a bit of catfish out of that. That's the 2 filleted bags. Pretty heavy duty, some giant fillets in there. So that was 3 cats. There was some blue and channel, so worked out good. I mean, some of these fillets are absolutely massive. 2 bags of them. Hey guys, just back from cleaning and filleting those fish. Went pretty well. A friend let me use their kitchen, so I got everything all cleaned up, trimmed up, and it is awesome. We have probably 4 or 5 pounds of catfish in there. So we're just gonna go head back to the pool, have some tropical drinks and hang out, and then tonight we're going into town for some steel drums and pizza.